channel to let y'all know a very special, important message. And that's my birthday is on February the 24th. February the 24th, I'll be turning 28 years old. So here's what I'm asking of y'all. I just put my Cash App up right there. So I would like for y'all to Cash App me $28 on February the 24th. Or the day that this video drops, or the next day. Even after the 24th, you can still send it, but if you can't send 28, send whatever you can. Listen, it don't matter if you're a subscriber or not a subscriber. As long as you're watching this video, I appreciate it from you. But since you is watching this video, you might as well just go ahead and send it now. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all like this video, drop a green emoji when the video is over with, come back and leave an actual comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime and go ahead and subscribe, y'all. It is free. Besides my birthday, I'm asking for a fee of $28 or whatever you can send me, and I appreciate it.
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The big loving boom cuz. Let's do it. The big like a boom cuz. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The big level boom cause she liking my flow. Big being on all bitch called the scope. Beat the ball to ride with me and let bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch gon' hit the dough. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime on the dude, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real lost star. Used to pull up and shoot up the water. Now I'm showing the nigga that target. Let's do it. Hot little boy on that.
So this is the same day but different video. I'm getting ready to go change my clothes, go out to eat, and try to celebrate my birthday. But I'm gonna turn the camera back on whenever I change clothes. As I said earlier in the video, y'all know that this is the same day but different video from that last car meet that y'all seen. But I'm dropping this video on my birthday, so like I said, today is my birthday. I'm getting ready to go out to eat. I'm actually at the restaurant now, but I'm outside recording this part. I'm getting ready to eat some seafood. I may show y'all this, I may not, but I don't know what all I'm gonna put in this video. But just make sure y'all stay tuned and see what's next. Make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop a green emoji when the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. I just got done eating. I'm here at the mall getting ready to go shopping a little bit. I go slime here at Charlotte Mall. See what I can find in here. Y'all wanna be on YouTube?
Yeah, man, man, I, I gotta bring my car around here. Hold on. Yeah, keep that video. Hold on.
to shout out anything?
Big 3 and C. See, Big 3 and C Columbia. Y'all already know. Anniversary coming up soon.
That's your Instagram and stuff on the back of the car?
Yeah, it's on the back.
You want to shout out something?
I don't got nothing, man. You heard what the man said. Everything is everything.
What you got done to it?
Straight pipe, 5 tips on the back. The lights in the hood.
Mine's straight pipe too.
Yeah.
But I still got the exhaust tips. You notice a difference in those?
Yeah, I put a big. Yeah, I had the.
I'm just saying, sound wise, is it really a difference?
Oh yeah, yeah, it's different. It's different, especially on the cold start. Cold start.
He in there. Y'all down here for the meets?
Yeah.
Y'all was at the one earlier tonight?
Them boys, I can't wait. He was going, and a couple other members was going. I think the company we missed me. Slide back out here. Oh, I got it. Hey, you might want to get the footage.
Let's do it, man. Yes, sir. Whole lot of Kelly shit. Y'all know the fuck.
Hey, Kelly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
let's do it.
Come
You
on.
know I gotta pop my shit.
Pop that shit.
Hey,
Hey.
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 I got them bitches that suck up the crew. Pull out the yacht just to see how I shoot. Pull out the hood, we gon' pull up on you, bitch. I'm tired, but I'm staying up just for you. Spinning on niggas, this shit get hectic. Bitch asking questions like she a detective. I been hit your hoe, she just wanted a necklace. I went up the block to go link with a best. I got them bitches that suck up the crew. Pull out the yacht.
Tires are gone. You shooting flames.